I mean, come on, guys. It's just a walk through the woods. I don't see what's the problem.
It's scary, man. I don't like walking through woods. You guys are a bunch of wimps.
Getting
lost.
You know, speaking of spooky shit, you ever hear of the local legend that happened out around here?
Please don't.
I mean, it's sort of.
I guess, but
So, back around in the early 1920s, the city was still being developed. There was a local baron out over here who had some, shall we say, professionalism around a certain individual who was known to be a witch.
what is this, medieval?
1920s, Salem witch trials, dude.
Okay.
It's not medieval, it's malarkey.
Yes, it's... You saying I'm being a bullshitter?
Just continue your story.
Okay, well, essentially, apparently she ended up getting burned at the stake after some type of trial. There's no guaranteed death. And when this happened, she essentially ended up cursing this man with, as she put it, the blood of a wolf.
Bullshit.
I mean, hey,
Yeah, I'm
it's just
calling
a local
BS on this one too, bro.
I mean, hey, it's just a local legend. Hey, look, here's the thing. They say that there's apparently some type of weird spirit or type of effigy of this guy still roams around today. So, how about this? $5 says one of us dies today.
You're on. Alright, let's keep going.
Yep.
Swear to God, if I die, I'm haunting you guys forever.
I mean, like I was saying, it's just a local legend.
Yeah, well, I mean, how often are those actually true?
Fuck that, I'm out of here. Taking this. I'll see y'all in the afterlife, I guess. I don't know.
You wanna go after him?
No.
Could just be over.
Yeah. I mean, we're in the woods. Wolves are everywhere. That's just how that is.
Go charge him.
Alright, I'll go get him. What the? It's just a legend. There's no way that could really happen.
Yeah, well, I'm not taking my chances, you know?
Wait.
Anyway, where did,
Oh, God!
Oh, shit. Oh,
Does
fuck
mean
that.
I ain't gonna stay.
What the fuck?